Hello everyone, and welcome to Using OneNote Every Day. This is part 2. Okay, so today what we want to do is get familiar with the work surface in OneNote. So on the top here, the top left hand side, we have a quick access toolbar. So we can customize this and change a few things around to suit ourselves. As you might notice, they're fairly close together, so if we tell it we want to use touch, so everything opens up a little bit more. And also we can add a few other tools. We can add redo, which is this one here, and then we can also add a favorite pen, so that wherever we're working, whatever we're doing, we can very quickly pick up a pen and use that to mark a page. Okay, so when we have a book open, across the top we have our chapters, and if we right click on that, we can actually rename this. We can add new chapters just by clicking on that, and we also are able to add sub-chapters if we need to. Each of these we can add pages to, and we can move very quickly from one back to the other. So when we go to our next area, our main menu area across here, we have File. Now in File, this is where we control our notebooks, and we're able to start new ones, we're able to open them up, we're able to print these. We can print them to, I'll just show you that then, not just a printer. We can actually send them to OneNote, but we're already in OneNote. We can send them to our printer, to a PDF, or also an XPS document writer. So we've got a few options where we can actually send a page, a chapter, or a whole book to deal with. In our file section after that, we have share, which is where we can actually share with other people, share a meeting, or move a notebook. We'll look at all those later. We're able to export just a page, a section, or a notebook. We can send an email, we can send an attachment, we can send as a PDF, we can send it to Word as well, or we can send it to a blog if we're a blog writer. Then we have our account information, feedback information, which is feedback we can send to Microsoft. If you have a suggestion, they're always happy to hear what you say. Then we have an options section which is much more control area over what we're seeing, and backup and save, and different controls that we have here. And these are we'll look at those in detail later. On our power band across the top, we have the author's name, happens to be me, and also the controls we make. So if we show the commands, it'll add everything that's in that section. Now what we'll do is we'll go through each of these and have a look at that in our next video. I'm Richard Hill from Beast Consultants. Thanks for your time today.